Banggood has contacted me to review some of their products. Out of the proposed list, I have picked up the most interesting items, or at least I believe these items will be the most interesting for my viewers. And today I have got these two items, so let's open these packages and see what I have got inside. As you probably have guessed, it's some kind of RGB fans. Indeed, it's a box with the 3 RGB fans, and they are saying it is RGB case fan Diamond X. What the brand is named? The brand is named Coolmoon. And let's open it up and see what kind of quality and what kind of connectivity we get with these fans. Inside here we see these fans. It actually looks pretty nice with this kind of cutouts in the plastic. So let me take out one of the fans and we can take a look at it. You can see it is all transparent, and actually it doesn't feel like typical Chinese crap that I usually expect from AliExpress or something. You can see that the fan is rather rigid, and I'm not sure what will be the airflow of this fan and if it will be noisy or not noisy. I will of course do proper testing. Right now it's just unboxing, and even here we have some rubber pads which are supposed to be anti-vibration pads. So already I'm positively surprised. Now in terms of connectivity we have this, let me try to focus. This sort of proprietary connector. These I really dislike, but it is what it is, and for the price I think it is acceptable. So one fan, then we have 2 more fans, and here is the controller plus the wires from the fan. So in total we have here 3 fans. All 3 fans are identical. Let's see what we have from the accessories for these fans. Okay, so we got some screws to install the fans in the chassis. That's nice. Then we are getting this RGB controller, Coolmoon A-RGB controller. As you can see, we can install 5 fans or connect 5 fans here. These ones, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's some sort of other fans. Seems like my focus doesn't work. So these connections are not the same as this one. On this side we can install 5 fans. On this side we can also connect 5 fans, so 10 fans in total. And here are 2 extra connections which I'm not quite sure what they are for. On this side we have power. Yes, I believe this is power, which is connecting to the Molex. And this is probably button to switch the, come on, untangle yourself, to switch the colors. No, this is actually not a button. This is really nice. We are getting a RGB header which can be connected to a motherboard if you have a RGB header, and then we can control the lighting or illumination of these fans with the software. So I assume that this 2-pin connector is supposed to be connected over here, and let me see. Yes, it's going exactly over here there. And I assume that this one is to connect a button, and if you short this one or just click a button, then it will switch the illumination modes. Okay, so these are for LED stripes. Not sure why LED stripes are connected with just 4 pins. Maybe because LED stripes do not need power for the fan and don't need fan speed. But of course, it is very annoying that these fans do not have a PWM controller to control the speed of the fans, but if the airflow and the noise is at a good level on default, then it's still a good deal. Of course, we're also getting such remote, and the battery is supposed to be installed there. I'm not sure if the battery is actually in there, so we can do like this. First remove this one, I guess. I think it's supposed to open like this. Yes, yes. So the fan controller came in with a battery. You don't need to buy a battery extra, so that it is. What do we have in here? Also, we have got this manual. And seems like the manual is only in Chinese. No, it's in Chinese and English. So here is a straight diagram, how you connect everything. This goes to the power, this goes to the power supply, this goes to the motherboard, gigabyte 5 volt ARGB header. I'm not sure if anyone is using it, but if you need it, you have it. Then we can connect 5 fans here, 5 fans here, and some LED stripes. And here is a small demonstration of what kind of headers you can use for this sort of controller. You cannot use the 12 volts 4-pin ARGB controller. You can only use the 3-pin 5 volt ones. Okay, and on this side we don't have much interesting information. We have just demonstration, and here is some more demonstration about installation of the fans. The box is slightly damaged, but I hope the goods are not damaged. And the text says it is BlitzWolf USB-C 11-in-1 USB hub. So I hope this hub is going to work well, and I hope it's going to work well with the Chinese X99 motherboards, because usually Chinese X99 motherboards don't have enough power on the USB ports. So let's open it up and see how it looks and what we have there. Here comes the hub, and there is nothing more. It's just this hub. The feel of the hub is okay, nothing particularly good, but also not bad. This, I think, is plastic, but the bottom also seems to be plastic, but this side seems to be aluminum. Here we have here we have card reader to install SD cards. Here we have 2 USB 3 ports, 2 USB 2 ports, or at least I believe these are USB 3, these are USB 2 because of the color. On this side, we also have VGA, HDMI, network or LAN port, and USB Type-C. So it all connects to USB Type-C. Means we are not able to use it with the Chinese X99, X79 motherboards because they simply don't have Type-C. My motherboard has Type-C, so I will have to test it and see how this thing works. But I was expecting that this is going to be connected to a standard USB 3.0 port. Unfortunately, it's not. If you're interested to see detailed review of these fans and this USB Type-C docking station, then follow me on my main channel. Of course, I will add the links to buy these fans and this USB docking station in the video description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.